In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate meeting notes in Microsoft Teams with AI. If you're like many of us, keeping track of everything discussed in meetings can be a daunting task. But don't worry, Microsoft Teams has a fantastic feature, Copilot, that can simplify this process for you. So let's dive in and see how you can make the most of it. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, you'll need to access the Copilot feature. This is integrated within the Teams interface, so you should be able to find it without too much trouble. Copilot is a powerful tool designed to assist you in generating automated meeting notes, summaries, action items, and discussion recaps, either during or after your meetings. It's like having a personal assistant that ensures you don't miss any crucial information. Now, it's important to note that depending on your Microsoft Teams and Microsoft 365 setup, some Copilot features might require a Microsoft 365 subscription or specific licensed access. If you're unsure about your subscription details, it's a good idea to check with your IT department or consult your account settings to ensure you have the necessary access. Once you've confirmed that you have access to Copilot, enabling it is your next step. Once it's up and running, you'll find that it can significantly enhance your team's ability to quickly review important meeting details. This not only saves you time, but also boosts your overall productivity. Imagine being able to focus on the discussion, knowing that Copilot is capturing the essentials for you. And there you have it, that's how you use Copilot to automate meeting notes in Microsoft Teams. With this AI tool at your disposal, you can streamline your workflow, reduce the stress of manual note-taking, and concentrate on what truly matters in your meetings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and happy automating.